Hey, got a minute?
I don't like that smile on your face.
What?
I know exactly where this is going.
I don't think you're gonna know where this one.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
I
know this look, Justin. I've seen it before. You want to buy another attachment.
It's kind of an attachment, but it's a whole other arm of service.
Ooh.
Tractor service. It's another service arm.
I had another arm that we need to spend money on because that grows on trees.
Well, it's a lot of money.
So what is this arm limb thing is that we're purchasing?
It's an arm of growth, of living grass.
That sounds really creepy, actually.
As creepy as a Hydroseeder sounds.
A Hydroseeder now?
Hydroseeder.
I thought we were grinding stumps. Why are we getting Hydroseeder?
Well, it's a gateway effect. We got into stump grinding and then brush hogging. Then we got into light grading, and now we're going into full-blown excavation. The life cycle here is now plant new growth.
Circle of life. Did you steal that from Lion King?
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah. So what is this? I thought Hydroseeders were expensive. I mean,
They're very expensive.
Yeah, because I mean, I saw the price tags on some of these. These are nuts. So I mean, how can we even afford something like that?
You know, I was in my office doing, important work and surfing Marketplace. So I started calling the manufacturers, and they got like a 10-week lead time. But thanks to Marketplace, found one used. 50 cents on the dollar.
50 cents on the dollar.
Yeah.
It's just where are we gonna
Iowa.
get this? Iowa.
It's in Iowa.
Where the corn grows.
Another state.
So now we're going to Iowa to pick up a discounted Hydroseeder.
Think of it this way. It's a forced vacation.
I like the wording because it kind of does feel a little bit forced here. Well, let me just pack my bags and pull a wad of cash straight out my ass. Hi.
Southbound to down, loaded up in trucking. We're gonna do what Bulldog says can't be done.
Here we go. Pretty windy, just a little.
Yeah.
Cannot get this kid to wear long pants past April.
So I'll save you the wind noise blowing in your speakers. What you see me doing here is I bought 8 new ratchet straps to go with the 80 other ratchet straps I left at home. I bought this on Facebook Marketplace not knowing exactly what anything was. In talking with the seller, as I got closer and closer, I knew that, I probably need to somehow strap down these bales of paper mulch. And I didn't really know what I was getting into, but it was 43 of them.
There we are.
And right there, I looked at the pallets of paper mulch and went, wow. See, here I thought I could just throw them in the back of the pickup truck. Well, that would have never worked. So that's over a ton of paper mulch, and oh, by the way, they're about 2x2 square bales. I mean, something like that. So yeah, we had to hand bomb them, so to speak, and stack them on the trailer and make sure our weight distribution is fine and all that. And the paper mulch weighs more than the Hydroseeder. Here's Buckaroo kind of helping me hand bomb the paper mulch onto the trailer. And having the little guy help is one of the best things to happen.
Holy moly, is it windy out there, but we got here what we came here for.
Yeah. We are loaded up. We have 40 some odd 50-pound bales of paper mulch and the Hydroseeder. So now it's just time to get back on the windy road and rock and roll.
Thanks, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. More to come.